Confidence like alpha. Psychologists believe girls not only have the instinct to figure out confident people, but they are also more inclined towards them. That's why when an alpha male moves around them, girls cannot ignore them and remain unaffected. The confidence not only works on girls, but it's also a key to ultimate success. What you are about to learn has the power to change your view in how you can be more successful in any part of your life without saying a single word and learning how the science of attraction works. We have many naysayers inside our brain and outside in society. They always keep telling us that we cannot do this, and we start doubting ourselves, whereas the definition of confidence is quite the opposite. Confidence is the ability to believe the unbelievable you. Yeah, you heard it right. It's about believing your own self. So believe it or not, that the only unbelievable thing is most people don't trust their own self, simply because they have a lot of naysayers inside and outside. Confidence is the only significant difference between an alpha and ordinary. Even if today's society has tools to help guys that are struggling to invite a girl that are looking for weeks but still can't succeed and think it was their bad luck, in fact it was their inability to break their comfort circle, and especially not taking any risks with girls. So they decided to break one barrier a day, become a habit and go through anything without any fear. But some guys are not like this. They may have many weaknesses and try their best to hide them. Some people also work on their weaknesses, which is good, but the concerning point is keeping the weaknesses in mind and killing their confidence. It doubts us, we feel unprepared, we become unable, we are still weak. While the correct strategy is to trust your strengths more, develop this ability. It gives you the feeling that you are able to do something, that you are able to achieve anything. Take an example of a boy. He knows he is not good looking. If he goes with a mindset that he is not good looking, his body image will weaken and won't give the image of being confident. Girls are automatically reacting to him. He is a beta male. On the contrary, he can convince the prettiest girl of the college if he goes with a confident mindset. This will bring the confidence to behave like an alpha. This guy knows that if a girl rejects him, it's not because of his appearance but about his behaviour. However, a famous surgeon noticed that after facial surgery, some of his patients feel more confident. He concluded that the self-image of each person is very important. It is similar to wearing a new dress and reacting accordingly, but some people cannot not follow the changes because in their subconscious, their self-image is weak. The good news is we can change our self-image without surgery. A study was conducted on 3 basketball teams. Team A had to practice the ball throwing for 20 days, Team B did not have to do any practice, while Team C had to imagine the throw for 20 days. Study results were surprising. Team A's performance improved 24%, Team B improved 0%, while Team C improved 23% without any training, but only using their mind to visualize it. One of this study's conclusions is that a human subconscious brain cannot figure out the difference between reality and detailed imagination. That's why dreams can feel real to us. If we keep telling ourselves we are confident, we can convince anybody and handling any embarrassing situations around girls. Whether your brain adopts a new self-image or not, people react to looking at your face, your outlook. Subconscious mind carefully notices how each person perceives you. When someone treats you better, it develops confidence in you. That's why prettiest girls look more confident, because other guys try to become humble and impress them. Attractive girls are fully aware of their good-looking appearance, giving them advantages in life and especially attracting other attractive boys. Take it like a survival game. Only the more confident and physically attractive boys can last, while others are being aware of their not good-looking appearance. This will drastically lower their confidence and not even talk to the prettiest girl, and probably miss an opportunity that can affect other aspects of their life. Every girl and boy are programmed to find a good-looking person because attraction is not something you can control. It is a natural instinct. We say that men will always look to appearance and women to behaviour. A girl will instantly be able to see if a man is confident and protective. In fact, it's in our instinct to find a good partner to have a healthy reproduction. Girls want that. Life without confidence is hard and boring. With the discussed 4 points, you can start work on yourself to be more confident. Take care of yourself. See you next time.